Today I'm going to talk about the past simple tense. First, I'll tell you about the situations in which you use this tense, and the second part is about the structures. Now, when you use this tense. First, when we talk about something that happened at a specific time in the past. For example, she arrived at 4 o'clock in the morning. Second situation that existed for a period of time in the past. For example, she played tennis when she was young. He lived with his grandparents when he was a child. Now, the structures. Affirmative. If your sentence starts with I, we, you, they, it, he, or she, the form of verb you use is verb plus ed. I played badminton last evening. We worked hard for the examination. You passed the test. They stopped the car. It worked very well. He or she watched the TV last night. Here we have added ed to the regular verb. Now, one thing to remember is that irregular verbs change form. For example, write, wrote, eat, ate, see, saw, go, went. The structure of the negative sentences. Here we use did not or didn't. I didn't go to the market. We didn't watch the match. You didn't write the letter. They didn't play tennis. He or she didn't visit his or her grandparents. Here we use did not to make it a negative structure. After did, we always use the present of verb, that is go, see, visit, or walk. Structure of the interrogative sentences. Now we bring did in the beginning. These are the yes-no questions. Did I finish my work? Did we sing a song? Did you watch the movie? Did they visit their friends? Did he or she walk in the morning? The answer to these questions is usually yes or no. That's why these are called yes and no questions. Now the WH questions. What did I do last night? Now here you have to be careful because do is the main verb of this sentence. So what did I do last night? How did you write a letter? Who did you meet yesterday? When did they go to Bombay? Why did he or she not attend the class? Now test your knowledge. Please check answers in the description of the video. Thank you.